guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and today I am unboxing a blue wig by Vigorous. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. Had a little bit of an issue today with my video, so I had to go back and redo this one. So she is already out of the box, and I have already seen this wig, and I've got to say her hair is very, very soft. She comes in a really nice package. This is Wig Vigorous by Vigorous, and it is Vigorous number X002C43NKH. Vigorous Ombre blue wig. Here's the part. I'm trying to get this over here so you guys can see that part. This is not a monofilament part, it's a sewn in part, but the part actually for what this wig is, for a costume wig, the part looks really good. I want to get in here good so you guys can see that. It looks really nice. The wig on the inside, it is just a lace top. It's a basic wig cap, nothing really remarkable here. It does have combs on the side. There. There. And it's got a comb in the back, and I always like that because that really helps secure the wig down. It is an open weft, and it's got the little adjustable tabs on the side. So let me see what this looks. I mean, she's really long. Look how long this wig is. I mean, it's really, really long. I hope I look like a blue-haired Cher when I put this on. I'll be right back. We'll have the wig on my head. Okay, so here is the wig right out of the box, and let me turn around so you guys can see. I really like the ombre look of the wig. The top is black, and it just gradually fades into the blue. Can you all see that? And the wig fits really, really well. It actually, the wig cap is not a huge cap. It's about an average size wig cap. Let me pull it down. It's up, I don't have it down good. Let me get it. There we go. And the hair is really, really soft. I'm telling you, for a costume wig, for a cosplay type of situation, or just to wear for fun, this is a fun little costume wig. I like this. If I wanted to go and have kind of like, I don't know, maybe like a Frozen kind of look, or if I wanted to do something that was like a mermaid look, and I think I'm going to do a mermaid look with this wig. I have got a few little blue things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree the other day, and I think I want to do a fun little look with this wig. Now, I'm going to style it just a bit, but honestly, this is pretty much how she came right out of the box, right like this. I haven't done a lot to her. So, here she is. I'll be right back. I'm going to do some styling on her. Okay, so I have just braided the sides of this wig. And anytime you want to comb a long wig, you want to start from the bottom. So start this way and work your way up when you are combing a longer wig. Don't start up here and go down, but start at the bottom and work your way slowly up the wig. But for, you know, I think this wig was like maybe been $17.99. Gosh, I mean, I'm really pleased with the way this hair feels. Let me show you all the back of it. I hope you all can see that. I know that it's kind of hard to see. This wig is I'm going to try to stand up. This wig is really, really long. So I'll probably end up taking this to my hairdresser and have her nip it to about right here. But I love this wig. It feels really good. Let me try another style on her. I'll be right back. Okay, so for this winter, I've got on a fur headband with this. And I would definitely wear something like this winter with this. I really like, let me take my glasses off so maybe I'll look a little younger like this. I really like this, and I like this look. What I'm planning on doing with this wig is I'm planning maybe next week to do a video and do kind of a mermaid look with this wig. I've got some blue jewels, and I've got a couple of things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, last week, and I want to try them out with this wig. I knew this wig was coming, and I've been real excited to see her here, and I think this is another hit for Vigorous. I really do. Their wigs are very soft. I've been very pleased with every Vigorous wig that I've reviewed. I've been happy with it. I've liked it. I think the hair feels good. I think it looks, as realistic as a blue wig can look, but I do like it. I really like the feel of this hair. I can't stop playing with it. It's just like, I don't know, it's kind of like a little teddy bear or something. I can't stop running my hands through it. But all in all, for a costume, fun wig, you can't beat this. You just can't. And I think the price is like $17.99, and I really like it, and I think you guys will enjoy it too if you need just a little fun wig for Halloween or just a fun little wig for the season. When you get an opportunity, check out my website, Ninja Life Coaching. It's got all my coaching packages and everything on there. And when you get an opportunity, check out my storefront on Amazon. And I have a book on there. It's Lord Am I Going Crazy? I'll drop a link to everything down in the description box so you guys don't have to hunt it. Hope you guys have a great day today. God bless. Maranatha.